Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to view and download monthly statements on Scotiabank. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website scotiabank.com, then click on the Sign In button. Next, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then on the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Documents. Click on Documents. On this page, you will see a section for Statements. Under it is a Review button. Click on Review. Here you will see the list of your bank statements. You could select the account you wish to view statements from by clicking on the drop-down arrow under Account. You could also view statements from previous years by clicking on the drop-down arrow under Year. To view the statement, click on the button that says View beside the statement you wish to get. Then you will be redirected to this tab. To download the statement, click on the download icon at the upper right corner of the screen. That's how you view and download your monthly statements on Scotiabank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.